Hello everyone. In this video, we'll understand the concept of training and development, its definition, need, importance, process, and examples. Now, what is training and development? Training and development is the continuous process of improving skills, gaining knowledge, clarifying concepts, and changing attitude through structured and planned education, by which the productivity and performance of the employees can be enhanced. Training and development emphasizes on the improvement of the performance of individuals as well as groups through a proper system within the organization, which focuses on the skills, methodology, and content required to achieve the objective. Good and efficient training of employees helps in the skills and knowledge development, which eventually helps the company improve its productivity, leading to overall growth. Training is about knowing where you are in the present and after some time where will you reach with your abilities. By training, people can learn new information, new methodology and refresh their existing knowledge and skills. Due to this, there is much improvement and adds up the effectiveness at work. The motive behind giving the training is to create an impact that lasts beyond the end time of training itself, and employees gets updated with the new phenomenon. Now, why do we need training and development? Training and development of employees is a costly activity and it requires a lot of inputs from trainers as well as employees. But it is essential that the company revises its goals and efficiencies with the changing environment. Let's see some reasons why the company endorses training and development sessions. First is improvement. When management thinks that there is a need to improve the performance of employees. Second is benchmarking. To set up the benchmark of improvement so far in the performance improvement effort. Third is specific role requirement. To train about the specific job responsibility and skills like communication management, team management, etc. Fourth is testing. To test the new methodology for increasing the productivity. The next topic is importance of training and development. Let's see each point in detail. First is optimum utilization of human resources. Human resources need to be polished and trained to enhance their potential. Training and development of employees helps to make the best use of the employees' overall worth to the organization. Second is creating a highly skilled, motivated, and enthusiastic workforce. The existing workforce is trained to increase their productivity and motivated to contribute their best towards the organization. The employees will be more confident about themselves and enthusiastic about their job. They will adapt to technological changes and innovations more readily. Third is increased productivity. Knowledge about usage of sophisticated machinery and new technology is imparted to employees, which will enable them to use the equipment more efficiently and thereby increase productivity. Fourth is building team spirit. Training often takes place in groups where the trainees are encouraged to interact with each other and discuss organizational issues. This helps to create team spirit among the employees. Next is healthy work environment. Training and development programs help to modify the thought and behavior process of the employees in such a way that it is conducive to building a healthy work environment. Next is personal growth of employees. Development programs provide opportunities to the employees to enhance their skills and knowledge and help them to achieve better career growth. Next is promoting learning culture. The employees are encouraged to continuously learn new concepts and update their talents. This helps to promote a learning culture within the organization, which would greatly help in its future sustenance and growth. Next is improving employee morale. When employees are trained to become better performers, they feel a sense of accomplishment. They realize that they are effectively contributing towards the organizational goals and thus get a morale boost. Next is better managerial skills. Training and development programs inspire the employees to think, plan, solve problems, and take important decisions. This hones up their managerial skills. 10th is reduce employee turnover. A well-trained employee will take more interest in his job and will be a more efficient worker. he will get more job satisfaction. People who love their jobs are more loyal towards the organization. Let's see the process of training and development. The training and development process is a continuous process as the skills, knowledge, and quality of work needs constant improvement. Since businesses are changing rapidly, it is critical that companies focus on training their employees after constantly monitoring them and developing their overall personality. Let's see the steps of training and development process. The first is determine the need of training and development for individuals or teams. First of all, the need has to be seen for training and development, and it has to align with the company's goals and objectives. If a company is trying to start a new department or strengthen existing sales team in new products, then an appropriate training is needed. Second is establish specific objectives and goals which need to be achieved. The goals and objectives of the training and development have to be established. Whether the goal is awareness about new products or even installation is required to be learned. Third is selecting the methods of training. Methods of training have to be defined. It could be classroom training, online self-paced courses, course with certification, or instructor-led online training. After the plans and methods are finalized, the training and development programs have to be executed, where courses, instructions are taught to the employees, partners, or vendors. Next is evaluate the output and performance post the training and development sessions. Training and development is incomplete without proper monitoring. Monitoring can be done through evaluation of the instructor as well as attendees. Instructor evaluation can be done through feedback or ratings, but attendees can be evaluated through internal or external certifications or scores. And finally, keep monitoring and evaluating the performances and again see if more training is required. Based on the evaluation results in the previous step, management needs to ascertain that if the training and development program was sufficient for now or more training and development would be required. Also, if future trainings are to be planned. Let's see some examples to get more clarity on this topic. Training and development can be set up in any organization. The focus of organization should be to train the employees on two aspects: job-related skills and soft skills. These days, there are dedicated portals and self-learning courses for employees to enroll and take them as per their needs. A dedicated training department is set up in the organizations these days to train the employees on relevant skills. For example, trainings on communication skills, project management skills, AI or ML, and other emerging technologies and skills, they are priority of such departments. Also, these departments have the following responsibilities also. First is tying up with training partners or creating internal courses and study material. Second is creating a simple portal and classroom training system for employees on site or remotely. Then system to track learning and designing path for specific roles, for example managers, sales team, etc. And finally, evaluating employees on trainings and reward them accordingly. Therefore, we can conclude that training and development should be a part of culture of any good organization and should be taken at a strategic level. In today's competitive landscape, proper training and development programs can go a long way in having the competitive edge. I hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content.